Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. Have you ever sat down to do a craft and right in the middle of it you're going, there's got to be an easier way? I have. And I'm going to show you an easy way. Stay tuned. I have been trying to figure out what to do with some plastic Easter eggs. I have some of these. They're just little ones that I got from the Dollar Tree. And they're the small ones, like this. And I had a couple ideas. And while I was trying to figure out, I was doing one project and I'm going, there's got to be an easier way. So I was doing this basically. I was covering it in baker's twine. And I thought, well, I used the Mod Podge, I was using hot glue, I was going, oh my gosh, this is such a mess. And I'm burning my fingers more than usual, which that's a lot. There's got to be an easier way. So I figured out an easier way. And I'm going to show you. Take an egg. And your baker's twine and your scissors. Like this. Okay, all this came from the Dollar Tree, baker's twine in 3 packs, all different colors, eggs, the whole thing. And the key thing, and I don't know if you can get it at the Dollar Tree, probably not, I'm not sure. It's 2-sided tape. Now this is score tape. I got it off Amazon, and it's fairly thin. It's not the thinnest that it comes, but it's good for what I'm going to use it for. So basically, what you're going to do is take this egg. You're going to put 2 strips of 2-sided tape, score tape on it. You're going to pick a color of baker's twine and you're just going to start wrapping. I'll show you. And there you have it. the no muss, no fuss, a little bit of tape and string, and a plastic Easter egg. How cute! I am going to seal this with some spray, probably a matted sealer, because it is cloth, basically the string. It's going to be picked up and dust is going to settle, and it would be, if it's sealed, at least I can just take a dust cloth or whatever and wipe it down, or wipe off any, dirty fingerprints. Plus the tape does tend to dry out, and I don't want it popping and unraveling. The sealer will hold it together nicely. So I'm going to end up with a bunch of these in a little basket. But I hope you enjoyed. And if you do like these off-the-cuff little ideas that I come up with, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me how you do it. If you've come up with some brilliant ideas, let me know. I'm always open. So, and if you like these little tutorials, hit the subscribe button. You never know, from day to day. So, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you soon. And you have a great day now. Bye-bye.